Integrating WorldPay login into your website or application is a straightforward process that requires some technical knowledge. To begin, you need to create a WorldPay account and obtain your merchant ID and installation ID. These IDs are unique to your account and are used to authenticate your transactions. First, go to the WorldPay website and sign up for an account. Fill out the registration form with your business and contact information. Once your account is activated, you will receive your merchant ID and installation ID. Next, you need to choose the integration method that best suits your needs. WorldPay offers several integration options, including redirect, iframe, and server-to-server. The redirect method is the simplest and most common, where the customer is redirected to the WorldPay payment page to complete the transaction. To integrate WorldPay login using the redirect method, you need to create a payment form on your website that collects the customer's payment information. The form should include fields for the customer's name, email, and payment amount. You also need to include a button that redirects the customer to the WorldPay payment page. When the customer clicks the payment button, your website sends a request to the WorldPay server with the payment information. The WorldPay server then redirects the customer to the payment page, where they can enter their payment details. Once the customer completes the payment, the WorldPay server sends a response back to your website with the payment result. To handle the payment response, you need to create a callback function on your website that processes the payment result. The callback function should verify the payment result and update your database accordingly. You should also send a confirmation email to the customer with the payment details. Best practices for integrating WorldPay login include using a secure connection to protect sensitive payment information, validating user input to prevent errors, and testing your integration thoroughly to ensure it works correctly. You should also comply with the payment card industry data security standard to ensure the security of your customer's payment information. In conclusion, integrating WorldPay login into your website or application is a simple process that requires some technical knowledge. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a secure and reliable payment system that meets the needs of your customers. Remember to use a secure connection, validate user input, and test your integration thoroughly to ensure it works correctly.